Are you wondering if now's the right time to buy a home? With rising rates and growing inventory, today's market presents unique opportunities and some challenges. Let's break down what's really happening and how to make the most of it. Hi, everyone. I'm Aaron Mariello with eXp Realty, and I cover the greater Seattle, Tacoma, and South Sound area. Today, we're going to dive into some key insights and strategies for home buyers navigating today's unique housing market, especially with the challenges that are presented with those higher mortgage rates and the fluctuating prices. Let's break down some trends and tips for making the best decisions in this current market. Let's talk about mortgage rates, okay? Do you buy now or do you wait? This is a big question every buyer is asking themselves. Here's one perspective. I'm sure you've heard it before. If you buy now and rates drop later, you can always refinance and benefit from the lower rate. But if you end up waiting and rates increase, the cost of buying becomes even tougher. Now, over time, home prices typically rise. So even buyers who purchased at higher rates saw long-term gains due to the rising home values and taking advantage of their option to refinance into a lower rate. There's a corny real estate agent saying it's bait the rate and marry the house. The point is, purchasing a house at a lower price is going to save you money versus just focusing on a lower rate. Doing that's going to cause you to end up overpaying for a home, which it will happen because more buyers will enter the market, and that's going to cause multiple offer situations. We don't want that. Currently, inventory is growing and competition is slowing down due to buyer uncertainty and higher rates. For those that are ready to buy, there's some good news though, because more homes are available right now. Nationally, inventory in September rose 6.4% from the previous month, and right now is 33.6% higher than a year ago. Homes are also staying on the market a bit longer, indicating that the competition might be cooling. Because home prices are holding and going flat, buyers have a great opportunity to get a good deal, but they need to consider their budget closely. Sometimes finding a home within reach may mean that you need to adjust your expectations on the location or the condition of the home. One of the main goals for purchasing is to start building equity for the future. Plus, whatever small cushion of inventory that we have built up, it's going to get gobbled up once the rates get lower, because it's going to bring those uncertain buyers. They're going to bring those buyers are going to come out from the shadows and be your competition. Now, home prices are more than likely going to stay where they are, a little bit high. They're going to stay flat and a little bit sticky. And although the pace has slowed, prices are not dropping. One thing that everyone is agreeing on is that the housing shortage is going to, at the very least, keep prices flat, but more than likely, we'll see prices slowly start to tick upward, especially as we head into springtime. Now, check out this chart. Let me pull it up on my screen here. Now check out, this is the median home prices from the that have risen almost 50% over the last 5 years. When I read this chart, even though in the back of my mind, I knew that prices were up, just to see that 50% in 5 years is kind of astonishing. Now, looking at this chart, this is showing kind of the consistency of why we have an ongoing housing shortage. This is going to keep those prices stable, probably push them up just a little bit higher because of the housing shortage. The price increases, though, have slowed, but the prices are not dropping. The seasonality of when you buy homes absolutely makes a difference and a huge impact in the market activity as well. Spring and early summer obviously tend to be peak buying periods, but as we move into the fall, the competition decreases. This means probably the lower prices, more negotiating power, which is going to be a big benefit for buyers who find the property that fits their needs. Now, the market typically slows down in the late summer when school is about to start and throughout the fall, reaching its slowest period during the winter, which is just around the corner. Now, looking ahead towards the potential for growth, Fannie Mae is forecasting a 10% increase in homes that are going to be sold next year. That means that inventory is going to be getting smaller and smaller. The market could start gaining momentum again by the spring, but for those right now that are looking to buy, this off-season period might just offer you the most unique advantage. Now, everyone's situation's a little bit different, and my best advice is to do what you feel comfortable doing. If it doesn't make sense, absolutely don't do it. But if you are thinking about buying but not sure how to navigate the current market, go ahead and reach out to me for a free personalized consultation. I'm here to help, especially when it comes to understanding the market trends, exploring your options, and really find the best time to make your move. Also, below in the comments, I have a great free handout that helps explain a little bit better the secrets to buying a home in any season. Hopefully, all this has been helpful and useful information. And if you've heard it before, all we did is knock off a little dust for you to think about it again. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.